Hi, my name is Sarah Rose and I have applied to Roger Williams, Plymouth State University, LSU, UMass Amherst, Quinnipiac, Merrimack, and URI. And out of all those schools, I've only heard back from one, and I was accepted into Plymouth State, and I'm really excited, and I can't wait to hear back from more.
Alright, so I have applied to 9 schools so far, and I've been accepted into 4. I've been accepted into Marist College, Loyola University, Maryland, Fordham University, and University of Tampa. So out of those 4 that I've been accepted to, I'm really excited about Loyola. It's a really nice school in Baltimore. So Loyola, Maryland is one of my top schools because it has a really nice campus and really nice facilities for the students, so I think that's pretty cool. And at this point, college is really expensive, but I'm hoping I can get some good financial aid.
Hi, I'm Sophia Silvera, and I applied to Gordon College, Lipscomb College, and Liberty University. I got into all 3, and I will be attending Liberty University next fall.
Hi, I'm Carly. I applied to Plymouth State University and I got in today, and I'm excited to go there because I really like the atmosphere and it's definitely one of my top choices.
Hi, I'm Eric Muscala, and so far I've applied and been accepted to Western New England, Plymouth State, Springfield, Nichols College, and Curry College. Well, one of my top schools is University of Rhode Island, but I haven't heard back from them yet. But I'm also very interested in Springfield and Western New England because they're 2 good schools, and I also want to play football. So.